Welcome to our channel. Let's begin the journey.
Welcome to the series finale of our explainer. We're skipping past the comforts of standard observational astronomy today and plunging straight into the absolute bleeding edge of theoretical cosmology. Buckle up, because we are packing maximum astrophysics into this final chapter with a rapid, high-density descent into the ultimate frontiers of space and time.
We've spent this series exploring the anatomy of black holes and tracking cosmic detective stories, right? Well, now we've hit the ultimate theoretical frontier. We are crossing into a realm where standard physics just completely breaks down. We're talking about the absolute limit of our current scientific understanding.
Think about the core of a black hole, the singularity. This is where the math of Einstein's general relativity literally explodes into impossible infinities. The density of matter, the curvature of spacetime, they're thought to become infinite. And when the math shatters like this, it forces us to ask a wild question. What actually happens at the very edge of knowing? Does spacetime just end?
This massive breakdown in standard physics leads us straight to our first mind-bending concept, Hawking radiation. Formulated by the brilliant Stephen Hawking, this theory proposes that black holes aren't actually, well, completely black. Thanks to the bizarre rules of quantum mechanics operating right at the event horizon, they actually emit thermal radiation, and over unimaginably long timescales, they slowly evaporate.
Here's how it works. Right at the event horizon, empty space isn't actually empty. It's literally boiling with quantum fluctuations, creating these virtual particle-antiparticle pairs that pop into existence out of nowhere. Occasionally, one particle gets sucked into the black hole, while its partner escapes. That escaping particle essentially steals a tiny fraction of the black hole's energy, slowly but surely draining its mass away.
But wait, this creates a massive, massive problem in physics. Think about it. If a black hole evaporates entirely over trillions of years, where do all the stars, the gas, the information it swallowed actually go? Does it all just vanish from existence?
This head-scratcher is known as the information paradox. See, according to quantum mechanics, information about the physical state of the universe can never be permanently destroyed. Period. But according to general relativity, anything falling into a black hole is lost forever behind the event horizon. It's a theoretical nightmare. The fundamental laws of our universe simply cannot agree. And if information truly is lost, our ability to predict the past or future is totally destroyed. Okay, let's accelerate our pacing here, because black holes don't just threaten the microscopic quantum realm. We need to scale things up. We're moving from evaporating particles to the macroscopic, unfathomably large fate of the entire cosmos.
What if the universe's current expansion eventually slows down and stops? Well, gravity would take over as the dominant cosmic force. It would start pulling everything back inwards, accelerating galaxies toward each other in a catastrophic universal collapse. We call this the Big Crunch.
Picture this timeline unfolding. As space shrinks, sextillions of black holes are forced together in a relentless cycle of cosmic cannibalism, merging and growing exponentially. Fast forward to 0 hour, and literally everything in existence, every galaxy, every star, every atom, gets squashed into one incalculably massive singularity that devours spacetime itself. Now, a singularity containing the mass of the entire universe sounds like the ultimate, permanent end of existence. Total game over, right? But theoretical physicists look at this mathematical endpoint and ask a brilliant question. What if it's not a conclusion, but actually a giant cosmic reset button? Enter the Big Bounce theory. Rooted in a theoretical framework called loop quantum gravity, which proposes spacetime itself is made of tiny woven loops, this model suggests our universe isn't the first one ever to exist. Instead, it's just the latest iteration in an endless, eternal cycle of expansion and contraction. The contrast here is absolutely huge. In a standard Big Bang or Big Crunch, everything compresses down to an impossible mathematical point of infinite density. But in the Big Bounce, the universe reaches a finite maximum density. At that exact moment, quantum gravity kicks in like a cosmic spring, violently bouncing that compressed energy back out to create a brand new universe.
Okay, hold on tight, because we are about to descend into the deepest, most staggering, reality-breaking hypothesis of this entire explainer. We're taking everything we know about black holes and universal expansion and combining them into something that will completely upend how you view reality.
Consider this wild fact. If you took a balloon the size of our observable universe and filled it with incredibly thin cosmic air, the sheer mass of that would be enough to create a black hole. Actually, it's enough mass to create a black hole 10 times larger than the observable universe itself. Which leads us straight to the jaw-dropping hypothesis of our finale. What if our entire reality, everything we can see and touch, actually exists deep inside a supermassive black hole? It sounds crazy, right? Because how could an expanding universe exist inside a collapsing black hole?
Let's walk through this process of cosmic natural selection. Step 1. A parent universe creates a standard black hole. Step 2. The collapsing matter within that black hole forms a singularity. Step 3. Instead of just stopping there, that singularity undergoes a mini big bounce, and boom, a brand new, expanding universe is born entirely inside the event horizon, completely hidden from the parent universe.
It literally creates a reality of infinite cosmic Russian dolls. If this theory holds true, it means universes are nested inside black holes, which are themselves nested inside other universes, which are creating black holes of their own. It's a never-ending fractal of creation.
As the source material so profoundly puts it, everything in existence could be black holes all the way down. Think about that. It completely shatters our traditional concepts of space, time, and cosmic origins. There might be no single original universe, just an infinite chain of black holes giving birth to new realities.
So if everything we know, every star, every galaxy, our entire 14 billion year history is just a tiny bubble expanding within the event horizon of an endless void of nested black holes, I'm going to leave you with this final staggering thought to close out our Explainer series. Whose reality are we existing in right now?
The view from here is breathtaking. Command, we are in position and ready for the next phase. If you liked the video, subscribe and comment the topic you want next. Thanks for watching, and stay unstoppable.